Awesome. Now, I need you to reach back to yourself 8 months ago, going through the program. What's the biggest piece of advice that you would give your former self going through the program?
So the biggest piece of advice is I could have started earlier because I was informed about Colaberry after I started Colaberry 2 years after I was informed about Colaberry. So then I was hesitating from doing that because I'm looking at it like, am I ready to, like, this is a different field. Can I do anything with this field? Jumping from an accounting, to coding and all that. But I finally got into it, and I'm glad. So what I have to say is, like, next time, just try something. You can't know until you try. So I tried, and I think it worked out for me. So what my takeaway from that is, to make my decisions earlier. Like, if I think something is good, try it out and see if you can get in.